Hey, this is Daniel with Daniel's Plumbing and Air Conditioning here in Austin. Hey, I have Matt with me. Matt's one of our plumbing experts, and today we are going to talk about the different options for water heaters. Matt, tell me a little bit about this water heater and a tank type water heater.
Basically as easy as you can get. If you can imagine, it's just a big pot of water that sits on a burner assembly with a thermostatic gas control that tells it when to turn off and on. It pulls the fuel, heats the water, brings it to temperature, shuts itself off.
So let's move over to tankless water heaters. Tell me some of the benefits and features of a traditional tankless type water heater.
Uses less gas, uses less consumables, and it actually produces less emission. The only time this turns on is when you actually open the faucet. Another thing is it produces endless hot water. This would be a good middle option as opposed to rerouting water lines, rerouting gas lines, and doing some other things for a major tankless.
If you're interested in getting a free consultation on a tank type water heater, easy 40 or 50 water heater, or a traditional tankless type water heater, give us a call at 512-490-6700 or on the web at danielsaustin.com.